Hello everyone, and it is Jamming with Yarn. I'm looking at two cameras, my laptop and my phone. So I'll be going back and forth. If my eyes look like, what's going on with those eyes? Anyway, it's lovely. It's a wonderful day. And not just to be who you are, because you guys know that's my saying, just be who you are. That's all that's important. Don't try to be anybody else. And if you like something that somebody's doing, well, hey, you can borrow it. You can definitely borrow it, you know. That's why we have commercials and all this stuff, because they want us all to do the same. And no, we don't want to do that. Anyway. I have another channel, and I think I told you guys about this other channel. It is more of a personal channel. It is an inspirational channel. It is me expressing myself. So I am going to put the link up above, and I hope you guys go and take a look at it. And if you like it, please subscribe. And if you know someone who is going through something, or maybe a little depressed, or you know, I have lost someone, please share my channel with them. I have big plans for this second channel. You guys know how I overdo it. High expectations, and maybe I'll just hit Earth. Shoot for the moon, hit Earth. Okay, so anyway, but today I want to share a package I received in the mail, which was not supposed to come until the 12th. It's Rainbow. I never heard of this company before until I was looking at, I was cruising one of my followers and who I follow channel, and she had mentioned this channel. Her name is Jenita Lovingit. She has a channel. She does a lot of shout outs, and I don't know if she lives in an apartment or whatever, but she has a small space, and so she do patio gardening, and she make little crafty items, and yeah. So, you know, please go and visit her channel. Yeah. So I was looking at one of her channels, and I saw that she was talking about this particular company, and you guys know I don't like shopping, but I will shop online. So let's see what I purchased. Now the items I purchased, what I'm looking for is bodysuits. Because when I work, I like to have long sleeves on because I'm really sensitive. You know, it's funny. I really am sensitive. I tend to break out easy. And a lot of it could be my mentality, my mind. You know how your mind gives you hives? Well, that could be my situation. Well, you know, I just don't want all kind of stuff on me. If something's going to touch me, touch this fabric. I know it's like, well, you can wash it. No, I tend to get the heebie-jeebies, okay? And, that's just who I am. All the items in this bag was $39. I should put my glasses on. $39.95, okay? And I didn't get the correct tops that I wanted. Ooh, those are shiny. These are Foster Grants. I was trying to make up for what I lost. I only bought like 4 items. They come packaged like this, and it was stuffed in my mailbox. I guess the mailman did not want to come up here like I can get it, and he stuffed that package in there. And they're body shirts but they're short sleeves. But this will give me an idea, not really, but it gives me the idea of the quality of their the fabric that I'm dealing with. They're very cheap. Let me see. The body shirts, I have 3 of them, and I have 1 t-shirt. Now the body shirts were they call them body suits. They were priced at $5.99. And the t-shirt was $10.99. Okay, so take the shinies off. So this is one, oh, good quality. I didn't expect it to be that thick. That look a little raunchy there. Let's see. I don't know. It's a little dark. Okay, that could be just me mentally, you know how to do it like that, okay? I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't look like a return. It might. Anyway, I'll be washing it. So this is one of the body suits. That's the back part. And this is the front. Okay? And I would wear this under my work shirt, but not this color. And it would have to be long sleeves, but I did want to find out what the quality of the fabric is. And the fabric is, and this is an extra large. And the fabric is pretty, it's not that, it's really thick. Look at that. It's not a lot of light in here. I have the natural light. So I have I think that's called mauve. And the other one is a Kelly green. Let's see if there's any difference. No, same type. Oh, it feels like swimsuit material. It is really made well. Okay. And it do have a clip at the bottom, so if you got to go tinkle, you don't have to go through all that. Okay. And these are, it's the same. You definitely can't see through it. Okay. Really good. Good quality. Very good quality. Okay. I thought this one might have been dirty, but it could have been whoever was working on it. Hands may have not been that clean. It looked a little dingy to me, but maybe not. It's just my mind playing its regular games on me. The sewing is good. You can see the quality of the sewing. And the last one is blue, my favorite color. Okay, my favorite color. So, oh, this blue is pretty. Same good quality. Even had this one even had tissue paper wrapped in it. Ooh, royalty. Go with my top. It looks like green. Okay, this one is bringing the best color. On my laptop, it looks green. On here, it's perfect. Good quality. Uh-oh, I look like I see. There is a seam. I don't know if you guys can see that on the inside. Like a little streak right here. I don't know if you guys can see that streak right here. There it go. You see that line where maybe the machine skipped a beat, I guess. I don't think it's going to unravel or anything. So that's that. Now, my $10 top, which I hope I can fit, packaged. The wrinkle is a extra large. Love J. Okay, the quality of it. And the t-shirt. Okay. Let's see. I have shorts on, so. That might be a little clingy. Maybe a 1X maybe would have been a little bit better. Well, it's really comfortable there. Let's see how far. I don't want to stretch the neck out that far. Let's see. What do I have on? I have a man's shirt on. This is an extra large. Realize I already have another shirt. That's okay. Maybe I don't like them too big but not too tight. It's stopping right here. So it's okay, and it'll probably loosen up when I wash it, like one of the other shirts that I purchased at JCPenney's. Really did loosen up. Was that JCPenney's? I don't know. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to share that. And have fun this summer. It doesn't matter what you do, whatever you do, small or large. Have fun doing it. I'm having fun doing this and just being who I am. Okay, so until next time, remember today is another day to be who you are. Knock it out the ballpark. Be the best that you can be. Until next time.